What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. About to go ahead and look at this Poulan that I found at the dump. See what's wrong with it. See if I can get it to start at least. Let's go. What do you know? Free lawnmower from the dump started up. Yes, sir. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't free. I forgot I had to pay $10 for it, but it's still worth it. I don't really want the deck. I think my friend said he wants the deck. I mean, it rolls and like the self-propel works really good. I got the flap in the shed too. Only thing is it's kind of bent. I guess you need to bend it back or change the actual bearings or something. Front wheels look good. I adjusted them higher and they're better, but the back wheels are still kind of bent. But other than that, the deck's pretty good, so I'm gonna get that to my friend. But I'm gonna look for me a deck. I'll put this engine on it. Shoot. A great engine, man. I probably could sell that, man. If for y'all who don't know, man, people will buy lawnmowers for like $50+. You know what I mean? So if I could find a deck, all I gotta do is find an old broken lawnmower. People say somebody don't want it. Oh, I'll give you can have it for $10. It's not gonna work. I was like, I don't want it. I just want the deck. Find an old lawnmower, put this bad boy on there. I might mess around and sell. I'm thinking about just putting this on, swapping out the transformer. The transformer got a stronger engine. Grab a bread cup. Transformer got a stronger engine. It's 6.75, that's 6.5, but that one's probably newer. I don't know. I'll see. But like I said, I'll keep y'all updated what I'm gonna do, and I'll talk to y'all later. Stay tuned, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir.